In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a report from Google Ads. If you want a quick, reliable copy of your campaign data, downloading a report directly from Google Ads is the fastest way to do it. I'll walk you through the process from the main dashboard to getting a file on your computer with a few helpful tips so the export looks exactly the way you expect. Start by going to your Google Ads account. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation and select Campaigns. After that, click Campaigns again to make sure you're viewing the main campaigns table. This confirms you're in the right place to export the data you see on screen. You'll notice the table lists your campaigns along with performance metrics like clicks, impressions, cost, and conversions, depending on which columns you've chosen to display. Before you download, keep in mind that the report mirrors what you see in this table. The date range, filters, and columns currently visible are what will be included in the file. If the numbers or fields on screen match what you want to share or analyze, you're ready to export. Now look toward the top right area above the table for the download button. It often appears as a downward arrow icon labeled Download. Click it, and a small menu will open asking you to choose a file type. You can select a format that fits how you plan to use the data. CSV is a great universal option that opens in most spreadsheet tools. Excel provides a native spreadsheet format for deeper analysis. PDF is perfect if you just need a clean snapshot to share and don't plan to edit the numbers. Pick the format that matches your goal. Once you choose the file type, the download will begin automatically in your browser. You should see it appear in your downloads list, and by default, it will save to your computer's downloads folder unless you've set a different location. If you're working with a lot of data, give it a moment to finish. That's all there is to it. Go to your Google Ads account, click Campaigns again to confirm the table view, then click Download and select your preferred file type. From there, the report is ready for you to review, share, or archive. A quick tip before you wrap up. Consider naming the file clearly once it's saved so you can find it later without digging. With this simple process, you can consistently capture the exact campaign data you need whenever you need it.